Today, we are going to look into Trikonasana alignment. Step into the top of your mat, keep a block next to you, right foot forwards. And then you can start with your hands on your hips, step your left foot back. Now, when you step your left foot back, you want heel to heel alignment, and then your left hip facing the back of your mat. Your left toes slightly facing forwards, and then I will start with both hands on my hips. Now from here, as you find that long spine, arms parallel on your mat, both legs straight, you want to start hinging forward through your right fingers. Maybe place your left hands on your left hip to always control this opening to the left side. And then keep reaching, pressing down through both feet. And then finally, rest of your right hands wherever it lands. Maybe on your shin, maybe inside or side, or in this case, I'm going to use a block. As you place your palms down, start to reset. Start to reopen this left hip in line with your right, and then your left collarbone in line with your right collarbone. Start to reach your left arm up, and then think about sending your left palm to the person behind you, pressing down through your left foot and your right foot, and then reach your left arm up. You should feel a nice stretch to the left side of your body. Take a 3 breaths in here and enjoy.